Good fucking afternoon. It is Monday after going to ALA. I didn't really film for ALA, and there was a reason why I didn't film for ALA. I just don't feel like it. I mean, I filmed something, so you'll get to see them right now. I also wanted to dye my hair pink, but it's really difficult to find 3 hours in the day where you can just do that when you're working con ops. Drink lovely Calpico. Anyway, Gallifrey 1 is in 17 days, a little over 2 weeks. Hello, traffic. Girl, let me tell you, I'm a fucking gay man who wants his government to just work. And so don't you bring that here, boy. My eyes hurt so much, guys. They hurt so fucking much. But you know why they hurt? Because I don't take care of my T-zone. I still have large pores and blackheads. Well, I know how stop signs work. Like this. Stop, look both ways, go! I could have made that little gap, but no, because I'm in a tiny car. We've triggered a red light challenge! Who remembers those from Discovery Channel? Anyway, I bet you that you can subscribe and share this video to your friends before the light turns green. Ah, we're moving. Did you get it? Did you get it?